What's going on, guys? It's Dr. Kris, again with some useful daily tips. Today, I want to uncover some issues with hip mobility. Are you feeling yourself being stuck due to a long commute or being behind a desk, or about some clicking in your hips? If you said yes to any of these issues, you could be having problems in your hip flexor, in your hamstrings, or even that low back. But today, I want to talk about your hip flexors. These hip flexor issues can really be causing pains in your groin, into your front of your hips, or even into that low back. And the reasons why we have this is because you can think if you have a tight hip flexor, it's going to cause an anterior pelvic tilt, which is a downwards forward turn of the pelvis. And we're going to be talking about lower cross syndrome, which is what that is, in another video. But today, I want to uncover 2 useful tips for you to use every single day. Here we go. This exercise opens up your entire hip capsule. Make sure you're holding on to something because you want to make sure you're completely stable. Nothing else should be moving other than your hips, and we are doing full internal and external rotation of the hips. I'm doing these nice and slow because I want to maximize each rotation. This exercise is not easy, so take it one step at a time. Clicking indicates a tight, deep hip flexor. Do these on both sides until you feel your hips feel more mobile and more relaxed. The second exercise is a wonderful stretch after you've warmed up your hip capsule. We want to be in a split stance with a tight core to maintain a good posture. Reach all the way up into the sky, then slowly lean away from the opened hip. Breathe into the tight muscles, and you can slowly lift your back leg to intensify the exercise even more. Be sure to move slowly and be nice, as this exercise is an extremely deep stretch for your entire lateral chain. Regardless of what treatments we utilize in order to treat our health concerns, we have to do our part for active care. These are some simple yet effective exercises that you can use every single day to make sure you can improve your quality of life. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for part 2.